Hello, good morning, classmate and Doc Mel. My name is Eileen N. Parocha and I'm currently pursuing a Doctor of Sustainability degree. It is my privilege to present my topic for Module 3, which is the agenda setting. Agenda setting media influence theory. This presentation aims to explore the important aspect of the topic, highlights its relevance to sustainability, and provides meaningful insight that contribute to our learning and discussion. Imagine a world where countless events happen every day, but only a few get into the spotlight. This is the power of agenda setting. Today's media, from television anchor to social media feeds, decide which issues captured our attention. The media doesn't tell us what to think, but it strongly influences what we think about. By highlighting a certain topic, it shapes public conversation, guides political priorities, and frames social agenda. In the presentation will expose how agenda setting works, why it matters, and the impact it has on our society. This is my topic. Let's begin with the agenda setting. What is the agenda setting? It is explain how mass media shape public priorities by influencing what issues people think about rather than telling them what to think. It highlights the media power in direct attention, framing public disclosures, and ultimate shaping political social agendas. It is also like a spotlight on the stage. The media doesn't tell us what to believe, but it decides which issues stand in the light. There are three types of agenda setting. Number one is a public agenda. It happens when the people themselves decide which issues deserve attentions instead of the media leading the way. Citizens raise voices through protests, social media trends, community discussions, or public opinion polls. The second setting is the media agenda. This happens when the people or when the media decide which stories deserve to the spotlight by choosing what to cover and how much attention to give. The media guides public focus. And finally, the policy agenda. It is happen when both the media and the public shape the priorities of policymaker. The media highlights certain issue, the public reacts and voice concern, and together they create pressure on leaders to act. For example, if the media covers rising unemployment and citizens demand solution, government officials are pushed to place a job at the top of their policy agenda. In this way, policy agenda setting is the meeting point where the media influence and public opinion coverage to guide political decision and shape law. Let's go a model of agenda setting. You can see in this diagram, personal experience and interpersonal communication are placed on the top of this diagram because they are the most direct and powerful influence on what people consider is important. Before media or policymakers shape the agenda, individuals rely on their own life experience and conversation with the family and peers. These personal and social interaction create the foundation of a public concern which then connect the media coverage and the policy decision. In short, the agenda begins with the people live through and talk about every day. Let's define the personal experience become the starting point of the agenda, laying the foundation for what the public talks about. what the media covers, and eventually what the policymaker address. Interpersonal communication act as a bridge, turning personal experience into the shared priorities that shape the public agenda. Media agenda directs attention, guiding what people talk about and shaping the priorities and eventually influence public opinion and policy making. Public agenda is a citizen's response by prioritizing the issue they see in the news and their lives. Public opinion polls, protests, and social media trends show that the people care about most. Finally, policy agenda is the stage where the leader responds to both media coverage and public pressure. When the media highlight an issue and citizens demand action, policymakers are forced to place that concern in the government agenda. This process shape the law, program, and decision, showing how policy agenda setting in the point where public voice and media influence converge to guide political priorities. Let's go to who set the media. This diagram explains the reality of the actual events happen in the society. The media agenda set by the journalists, editors, media organization, government officials, and public interests who decide which issues receive the most media attention. This influence of the public agenda where people begin to view those issues as most important and discuss them more open. Let's go to the agenda setting theory. Agenda setting theory works by shaping the way society prioritizes issue. It begins with the reality and actual problems people face in a daily life, like unemployed of raising prices. Then come to the gatekeeper such as editor, journalist, and media executive who decide which stories are highlighted and which are ignored. Through their choices, influential media outlets amplify certain topics, giving them repeatedly coverage that make them seem more urgent. Finally, public forms its perception of reality based not only on personal experience but also on what the media emphasize. These chains of influence direct conversation, shape public priorities, and pressure policymakers to act. Agenda settings work by guiding public attention toward a certain issue. To end this presentation, I want to conclude that the agenda settings remain crucial in understanding media power. Traditional outlets still shape priorities, but social media accelerate and democratize influence, making agenda setting more dynamic than ever. Also, reminds us that while media shape our priorities, we also hold the power to question, engage, and redefine the issue. And that matters most. In a world where influence share between traditional outlet and social platforms, let us be mindful, critical, and active participants in shaping our collective reality. Thank you for listening. This is Eileen Parocha reporting.